G'day folks, today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a do-it-yourself monitor to your GoPro vlogging setup. So we'll start off with the basics for those who are maybe new to GoPro. This is an aluminum frame and you can get them fairly inexpensively on Amazon. And they offer a couple different features. They have some setbacks as well. First of all, they're a little bit heavier than the stock frame that comes with the GoPro. Not by much, but a little bit. But what it does is it, first of all, gives you good protection. It's aluminum, and if your GoPro takes a spill on concrete or asphalt, it's going to give it a lot of protection. The other nice thing about it is that it allows you to mount a microphone via the cold shoe here. And just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using this Rode microphone just to show you how it goes on. They just mount on there like so, and there you go. Now this microphone's a little bit big for this setup. It would be in the field of view. I have a smaller mic, Rode mic that I use, but I'm actually using it to film this video. So this is, like I said, just for demonstration. Now the other nice thing when you buy these aluminum frames is that they come with a lens cap and a UV filter. Helps protect your lens as well. But for now we're just going to remove that so we can see what we're working with. So we have the GoPro mounted in there, and a lot of people use their GoPro for vlogging and different scenarios like that. But the problem is that it's hard to see what you're filming. And with the wide angle of the GoPro lens, sometimes, you know, you're not centered, and you want to have your video looking as nice as possible. So what we're going to do is take one of these doohickeys. I really don't know what they're called. Basically, they have a 1/4 inch tripod thread on either end, and we're just going to screw it into that hole. It's a 1/4 inch thread as well, and we're just going to tighten it up till it's nice and tight, just like so. Now we're going to take a ball head, and there's many different types available. If you check some of the gear you already have, you probably will find that you may even have a ball head kicking around on a monopod or a selfie stick, so you can make use of that. That's where these both came from. But we're going to, for this video, I'm going to use the smaller one. And we're just going to screw that onto the doohickey, whatever it's called. I'm sure maybe somebody can let me know what those are actually called. Really tighten that up, make sure everything's in there nice and firm. Now next we're going to use this cell phone mount by Polar Pro. I really like the Polar Pro one because it gives you different options when mounting. It's got a 1/4 inch tripod thread at the bottom here. It has one at the other side, but it's more on a 45-degree angle, depending how you want to mount it. And they also have one on the side, so that's one we're going to be making use of today. So now we're just going to screw that in, and just make sure it's tight. Now what we're going to have to do here is, because we want it facing us, right? So we're going to have to loosen the nut there on the ball head. And just line it up until it's facing us, and then we'll tighten it in, just like so. This thing expands at the back by this little lever here, so we're just going to loosen it. We'll mount our phone in there. Make sure it's in there nice and tight, and then we'll tighten the lever. And just like that, we now have our cell phone mounted, and we'll be using it as a monitor. So now we need to attach a handle to our setup, and this is the handle that I use quite a bit. First of all, it's just a nice grip, nice rubberized grip on it, but it has the added benefit of having a power bank built into it. And if we remove that little rubber flap, you'll see the USB-A port, and we could charge our GoPro by plugging it in directly to that, and you can use your GoPro while it's charging. So there we go, we've got our handle attached, and there is our monitor. Now to use it, all you have to do is launch your GoPro app, connect to your GoPro, and you'll be able to see what you're recording. Now throw a microphone on the top, and you got a nice little vlogging setup. Well folks, hopefully you enjoyed this video, how to add an external monitor, a selfie monitor I guess you could say, to your GoPro Hero 5 vlogging setup. Pretty simple, just a few simple parts that you need, and I'll include all the links down below where you can pick them up if you need to. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.